Hey guys, welcome back. And today we are going to make a flying plane. But one thing, we are back with our old setup. So yeah, outside a very strong wind, and I think I make a video on a flying plane, paper plane. That is it. And I don't know it's fly or not, but yeah, let's go outside and try to fly it. So yeah, let's go out. Guys, we are outside and you see the noise of wind. So I show you the small clip of the flying plane and see the very strong wind here. So our paper plane is flying very high. Our plane is very fly high and I impressed. So let's move to making the paper plane. So yeah, uh, you have a A4 size paper and a stapler and a thread. I take this very thin thread. See, it's very thin. So yeah, let's move the first step. Change the camera angle that you see the full paper, and first thing to you do, fold it on side to side like this and make sure your corner is aligned. So yeah, align like this. And the next video update is, this is the paper series and I make this flying bat plane. So it's fly like this. So yeah, next video we are making this plane. So yeah, let's move to our flying plane. So what you do, again do same, this corner and this corner align like this, but this time you fold only the top, not downside, only top side. So you see this line, okay. So then again this corner align with this line and again press only top, not down. So yeah, we find these two lines and then very important tip, just open only one side, not two, only one, and put it on this second line. That's uh, see in this diagonal. So yeah, it's look like this. So see, our paper plane is ready, and get the stapler and staple it. And when you staple it, the very important tip, how you mm, join the thread with this plane. So that also a tip. When we folding the plane, you have two lines, first this and second this. I show you. So this line So half staple goes into the paper and half staple up from paper. So I show you how to staple it. So I staple it and it's look like this. So see, half staple on down side and half staple on upper to not hold this thread. So just joined it, not. So yeah, your paper your paper plane is ready, and go and fly. And this is the our paper plane. So stay here, stay home, stay safe, and fly the paper plane. So yeah, I show you this plane. So I notified you and this paper plane, and subscribe to channel, and goodbye.